Anovia package this stuff well.
Oh, look. Backwards.
Oh, really?
Alright. And 3, 2, 1. Oh! Those things are spicy.
Yo.
Come on. Look.
He can't look yet. That's the cool thing here. That's and then it'll pick up right here. Okay, go ahead. Now you can look. Yeah.
Sorry, my bad. My fault.
Come on and look, Brandon. Oh, we're picking up from that last cliffhanger. I'm sorry, guys. We had to do it to you. These are spicy, dude. It's like the front is surprisingly not as wide as you guys think these wheels would be for the BRZ, but it's an 18x9 in the front, 18x10 in the rear. However, it's a negative 45 all around offsets, so they're deep dish, dummy deep. And these are the Anovia Carrier 3-piece wheels. They make 3-piece wheels custom, and they've already mounted our Delinte Tires, which is going to be our booth sponsor. So huge shout out to Anovia and Delinte. Let's get this thing out into the light. My first set of 3-piece wheels.
It actually have some meat on it.
Yeah, dude.
Not low profile.
These are the 255s right here.
Wow, you got the nice Anovia right there.
Heck yeah, Anovia, bro. Oh yeah, it's got a black backing. So I went with the black backing here. As you see, it's 3-piece, has all the hardware with the chrome finish, and then the like dark gray face here, so it's really nice. And then the tire specs on these are a 255 40 18 on the rear, and I believe the fronts are gonna be a 225 40 18. It's time to get this thing on the car.
Yep. I think we're faster than me, bro.
You gotta release the tension.
What do you want me to do? Crack a joke?
Take it off and place it on top of this knuckle.
That's just take a long time. I know how to hammer.
You got it out?
Yep. I'm not you.
So we need some spicy lug nuts for Suma to go with these nice wheels. But I was gonna order the Rasang one, but with the time crunch, we had like 2 days by the time I realized that I need new lug nuts. So I found out that I have a local guy here that makes these lug nuts. His name is FA Lugs. I'll put his Instagram right here. He has these really nice titanium lug nuts with the blue finish on the tips here. They're open-ended and they're meant for the BRZ. So I think these will be pretty nice. Trey, have you seen these? Dang. Ooh, I like these new lug nuts. Alex accidentally broke a lug nut, so we have to fix that before Suma, or a stud, sorry. Luckily, last time I broke one of my studs, I bought 2, just in case some idiot comes around and breaks another. So we have an extra for today.
What do you have to say for yourself, Alex?
He messed up.
He beeped up.
Oh, I had a heart attack. I looked at this tire, I was like, why does it say Toyo Proxy? It needs to say Delinte. I was like, that's the wrong wheel. Yeah, this kind of like shows the maturity in the wheel from going the monoblock to the 3-piece. You know, we went from bright green to dark green, you know, stock body to wide body, fake carbon to real carbon. I don't know. It's a very symbolic build going on right now, and I love it. Love it, I love it. Let's throw on some rear wheels. Now move these ruts out of the way of my ass. These are the specs that Adro told me, so just getting a little nervous.
Nice, bro. No, why did you take it off already?
Oh my god.
It's running going that way.
It's like, oh my gosh.
It's literally, I can literally see it like going up.
Damn, dude. Wait, just go lower, like slowly.
So basically, you could technically go a ½ inch lower.
Yeah.
No, look, right here.
It's here.
Oh, that part was touching.
It's obviously completely right over the tire.
You need more camera in the back.
Bro, it's already low enough. I mean, what the f? What y'all want me to do? Drop it to the...
Yes.
I don't like that. I like this. That's meaty. Yeah, that's perfect.
Look at the wheels, bro.
Holy
look at it. Look at it.
That's hitting?
I go down slowly and you see it.
It's already touching it.
Yeah, I cracked it on the
slowly manually.
Dude, we need like a handsaw.
Okay, turn all the way left. No, dude, right here, look. You're not even touching the wave piece. It's this right here. You gotta chop this, look, watch. Watch. Right there, look. Contact with it. Right there. It's hitting the bed and the wide body. Notch that. Take off more of the bend on both sides.
This tire is completely over that piece. So if it has crushing, it's gonna.
It's gonna have to be a tomorrow project.
The SEMA stress is getting real. I think everyone's tired. Well, I am, obviously, but it's getting tense. Because car looks freaking amazing, and you know, we've been working so long to get it there. I think we're all we just want it to be done, you know? So, me especially, obviously, but just tired. Clearancing and clearancing, so. These two seem to know what they're doing, so I'm gonna let them clear it out, make it work. Then we can go.
Brennan, just take the van out. You don't need the van.
Justin saying that the van.
Actually, I would have even taken the van off before you guys even cut it, like before.
Okay, so
either way,
I'll cut it.
Yeah. Just cut it.
I feel pretty confident I can get in there and just be like super.
You have the Sharpie.
I lost a disc. The one disc that fits on this broke, and these don't like snap on.
Look, I have a different idea.
What?
The idea about the self-tap, just take the flare out.
Okay.
Like just one self-tap. If anything, you just put the self-tap next to it. That's it.
Use an angle, Brandon.
If I can get it in there, I'll try.
I would just take off the flare.
It's good to be over here. We're what do you call that? We're the judges.
Judging.
Yeah. 4 out of 10.
Now we just put on the flare.
Yeah. You gonna put all the wheels inside?
We'll get the one up front. And then we'll go like.
And that's my favorite thing. Real carbon or
What the fuck? See it in the sky? Something weird.
It's still moving?
Yeah. Very slow.
Is there a rocket launch thing?
Yeah, right inside. That's good.
Oh, that's
Right
perfectly.
here.
Look at that.
Car's done. May have gone through a lot, but the car looks absolutely phenomenal. Looks way better than it was obviously before the whole SEMA build, but I'm super stoked with the mature look, like the carbon and the 3-piece wheels and the wide body kit and the darker wrap and a ricer in the background. I'm happy. I really like how the car is. I'm sure you guys are expecting a much more blown reaction considering how insane this is. But for someone that's been sleeping at like 2 a.m. every night, waking up at like 7, 8 a.m. every morning and doing long ass road trips with Alex here. Like we did.
It has been hectic.
We've done like what 4 or 5 road trips to like get the trunk to the body shop. I had to sell some stuff. I had to make some sacrifices, you know, sell a couple camera equipment and stuff for
7-hour drives.
For the builds, yeah, for more for the SEMA stuff, and I had to make some sacrifices for more things. Like I even had to buy lug nuts, you know, like there was just a bunch of extra things on the side that I had to get that we didn't have already, and the car is complete. Oh, this isn't the wrap video, but what do you guys think of the whole car? I mean, like, do you guys like this look, this more subtle look? I know most of you guys found me with the more ricer look, but I think I've taken a good approach here, you know, trying to make it a little mature.
You matured a little
bit more mature.
A little bit.
So yeah, I think SEMA's gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be great. But first up is SubiFest is Saturday, so we will be installing some livery. There's gonna be some designs on here that you'll see in the SubiFest video. And we'll be going to SubiFest, and maybe, I'm not gonna say maybe, I will foreshadow this and pray that we get somewhere close to winning a BRZ award because of how long we've worked on this. Not Alex, no. But yeah, the whole exterior and interior, the Buddy Club seats, the Suma Performance Carbon steering wheel. It's just like, it really all came together, and it just all turned out perfectly. And this car's not done, because now that the outside's done, it's time to work on, never mind. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We are giving away a set of these beautiful Anovias, not the 3-piece, but a set of Anovias, any monoblock design on the website once we hit 10,000 subscribers. And be sure to pick up some resin clothing or license plate frame or stickers or whatever you guys find on the website, so that we can keep making these videos for you guys without being broke. So that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget,
never stop dreaming.